Hello, and welcome to another update video about Solana. Yeah, I just want to give you another quick update because the markets are on the move, right? And Solana is currently moving up nicely as we're now heading into the weekend. It could certainly be a wave 4 weekend, okay? Why am I saying that? Because the market has now moved the target range for this third wave. Quick explanation. I don't want to, explain the entire structure to you again. Don't want to explain the history here, what we talked about. Just want to talk about the current wave structure. And so far, what we can identify here on the chart is a three-wave move to the upside, and the market possibly topping here locally soon in a third wave after we had an initial rally in wave 1 to the top of the 21st of December, a wave 2 pullback where the price bottomed on the 22nd, 23rd of December at around $176, a third wave to the upside which possibly completed. Yeah. Then, I shouldn't say that actually. It's not that it has possibly completed, but it could complete in the current price region. It didn't really react, though, to the 138% extension, so we'll see how it reacts to the 161.8 extension. That's the next level to watch at $223. If we get there and even break above this level, the next structural resistance is likely going to be found around $230 and then $235. For now, this move up has done what it needs to do in a third wave. So I can tell you that the minimum requirements for a third wave rally are done, fulfilled. The fourth wave pullback would be next. Okay, so this is upper micro support. Upper micro support, which is not so relevant. I find the more relevant support is below. It's the $197 level. And as long as we're holding that, the overall upside momentum should stay intact. Below that level, it's starting to break down. But we have this upper micro support. This is the nearest support area I can offer. And again, these support levels, they are going to move with the price. As the price is still climbing higher, these support areas, like a trailing stop, will move up with the price. And for now, I cannot confirm a top yet. Therefore, support might still change, especially if we go a little bit higher to 223. There might be a small change to these two support levels or areas. So it means on the weekend we might see a wave 4. The thing is, I mentioned that in the previous video, I'm not even sure if this internal fourth wave indeed bottomed, because if you compare that with the initial 1-2 setup that we had here, which bottomed on Wednesday the 1st, it is entirely possible all of this is still the internal third wave, right? But again, it doesn't matter so much because then this support area would sort of capture that. This internal fourth wave should not break below $203. So these remain the key parameters. I think we only still have a three-wave move up. What I did mention to you, though, is that, to keep really the direct upside pressure alive for a possible five-wave move, we really want the market to hold above 197, but it is possible that a much more complex structure unfolds here. I warned you that the next larger degree move to the upside, and tomorrow we can take a look at the daily chart again, but it is possible that the next larger degree move to the upside is only forming an ABC structure. So that means also the subwaves could be corrective and based on ABC patterns, which means we might not see a nice and clean five-wave move. Expect volatility and expect messy structures, but we'll give our best here to navigate this mess with the most relevant, let's say, key pivots and parameters for a possible five-wave move, so we know that when the market deviates from that ideal structure, what would be reasonable alternatives. But for now, this is all looking good. And I think on the weekend, we can watch for some kind of a consolidation, possibly a wave 4. So once that starts, we can lock the support area on the chart and just pay very much attention to it to see if the market reacts, and it could then be a base for maybe another rally next week. We'll see. Definitely, we had a few good days now, and Bitcoin dominance drop looking interesting. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.